terrorist group Avalanche has issued another bomb threat. In response, we have raised the threat level and entered a state of heightened alert. All lines are currently experiencing delays. We anticipate that our arrival in Sector 4 will be later than scheduled.
The target's Mako Reactor 5. From the station, we take the back streets. Once we're inside the facility, it's the same deal as last time.
Head for Mako storage.
And then blow it all to hell. Let's do this one for Jesse and Wedge. They deserve it.
Yeah.
Sure.
I didn't think word would spread this fast. There's barely anyone on this train, and none of them look happy to be here.
Might stand out as a group. You two stay here.
If we're on heightened alert, that means more security officers. So we'll be safe, right?
Cloud,
The train will be passing an ID checkpoint shortly.
here comes the first hurdle.
Not much of one.
I know, but that doesn't mean I don't have butterflies in my stomach. Hey, would you mind keeping an eye on things the next car over? I'm worried there might be trouble.
Why's that?
Barrett's always on edge before missions. But you know he's a good guy underneath it all. The people on this train don't.
You'll be fine.
Maybe. But I won't be until I know for sure.
Be right back.
Thanks.
So, do you still support those terrorists? Avalanche is a blight on Midgar.
Huh?
Their bomb threat has thrown our offices into chaos, let alone the reactor itself. It's total insanity! But we won't lose heart. No! Everyone at Shinra agrees. The reactor will stay online.
Is that right?
What? You got a problem with that?
Do I have a problem with that? Oh, you can bet.
He doesn't.
Asshole.
You know you're better than that.
Dun, 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 dun.
To keep Midgar running,
Hey,
it takes
this
fast
ain't no
amounts of
joyride.
Mako, which no doubt harms the planet.
I have nothing more to say to you and your friend.
Why don't you go check on Tifa? Quit screwing around here.
Emergency ID scan in progress.
No way!
Emergency ID scan in progress. Unauthorized IDs detected. Threat level critical. Inspection and containment sweep initiated, commencing at the rear of the train.
Not good!
Get over here! Now!
Take care of them, Cloud!
On it.
Lockdown protocol.
have to get to the next call.
Keep moving, people!
What do we do?
You want to survive this? Then move!
Lockdown protocol initiated. Then follows the lockdown protocol.
Move it!
You have to get out of here!
What are you doing?
Trying to keep you alive.
But I work for Shinra. I'm the enemy.
I don't care. I don't want anyone to die. Please.
I'll look after the others.
My turn.
There's no end to them.
3 unauthorized passengers successfully became neutralizing threats.
Looks like you're right, soldier boy.
Screw this. The station will be crawling with security. We gotta jump.
Screw that!
Need to slow the train down.
Sounds like a Biggs plan E. Okay, y'all watching now. I'm gonna jump. I'm gonna do it. Gonna show you how it's done.
Deeper. You okay?
Yeah.
All right. You ready?
Ready.
No holding back. That'll do. Get ready. Going in. All good. It's over. You're mine.
That's gotta be him. Hey, thanks. For when we jump in the train.
No biggie. It'll be late.
You always know what to say.
Well done, well done. I felt sure we had them, didn't you?
Sir!
Born survivors, these surats. Speaking of which, where's the third?
In custody, sir.
Return it to the wild.
Yes, sir. Right away.
have a visual on the target. Requesting immediate assistance. Take the lead.
All set. It's on you.
Taking over.
Gotcha.
Let's go.
He's close. Come on. There. Barrett,
Tifa! Could use some help here!
we're coming.
Make it quick! Should be some stairs over there!
We better hurry.
Yeah.
I've had it up to here with you damn robo-bugs! I'm gonna rip off those spindly legs of yours
These
one
must be
by
the
one!
stairs.
I ain't going down without a fight!
That doesn't sound good.
Let's go.
Barrett!
Great! Give me a hand!
Confirmed. Please jump in the train.
Don't let anything escape! Lock on this!
Let's finish this. Brace yourself.
Oh, it's gone for song! Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da!
That's gotta be the last of them, right?
Oh, who cares? We can take them. Now let's confirm our position and get back on mission. That reactor's waiting. Looks like it's gonna be Plan E.
Go on.
Plan A was if everything went off without a hitch. From the station, it would have been a straight shot to the reactor. Didn't work out, but we knew going in we had to have alternatives. Backup plans in case we had to get off further. From closer in to further out, B, C, D, and so on.
Up to what?
To E.
Lucky us.
Yeah! You're damn right.
Anyway, we were riding the train between Sector 4 and the main pillar when we had to bail out. And we ended up on the adjacent line, which should take us to Reactor 5.
That's right. So for now, we follow the tracks. Not too far, though. Need to switch to a different route before we hit the station. Cause you can bet your ass it's gonna be crawling with security. All on high alert.
Let's move.
Our friends in Sector 5 marked the route, so don't worry about getting lost. It's a straight shot to victory, people. All we gotta do is take it.
You have nothing to worry about, sir. Preparations for the grand finale are proceeding without incident. I have the utmost confidence that everything will play out as you intended. Yes, of course. I will not fail you, sir.
Sir, analytics reports that the results fall within the admissible range. However, the casualty rate significantly exceeds previous projections.
Remind me what your job is. Is it to question the wisdom of your superiors and bemoan your personal hardships?
Sir?
Huh. Casualty rate. You think I care about the casualty rate? They're pawns in a greater game. If your stock runs low, then go round up more from Sector 3 or wherever else. Use your head and bring me solutions instead of problems for a change, yes?
Sir.
It is so hard to find good help these days. Which is why the President ought to count his blessings. What would he do without me? Ha 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 ha!
When the time comes, remember, we just gotta follow the nose.
What?
Stamp's nose.
We look for graffiti, then head in whichever direction its nose points. But pay attention to railway signals too. You see blue lights, you're going the right way. Follow the blue lights and we'll reach the reactor. Piece of cake right here!
If only. That it?
You gotta check the signals, son. The signals! Biggs is way ahead of us. Jesse was gonna back him up, so it wouldn't surprise me if he needs our help. So let's not keep him waiting.
Right.
Not going anywhere!
Let's do this. That's that. Brace yourself. Going in.
That all you got?
Enough. I'll end this.
Ain't got nothing on me. There's one. It knows we trust.
Good thing our colleagues put up all that stamp graffiti. Without it, we'd be lost for sure.
Y'all don't have a chance! Get your ass out of here!
Keep those gloves up.
Sure thing, Coach. Guys, I think it might be a nest.
All kinds of creepy crawlies make themselves at home in the plate, then get messed up even more by the Mako.
Mako to this?
No, not that's disgusting!
Enough. That's that. Let's go.
Time to die!
Sorry. It's over. So long. Let's finish it. That's that.
What is this, a science experiment? What now?
It's huge!
So you must be the queen, huh?
See ya.
Hang in there!
Going in. Calling fire.
Bring it!
Rolling back. Need a breather.
Guess it's my turn. That thunder I hear? I'm counting on you.
Of all the time.
Bring it on.
So long. Gotcha. Get ready. All good. Brace yourself.
I know it's tough. Why I gotta kill
Those things really creep me out.
the train's gonna get derailed by one of these days.
Shinra should do something.
After an accident,
When it's too late then.
there's good old stuff. Check this out.
This isn't bad, you know.
Yeah, they really captured the essence of corporate propaganda.
Check it out. I guess Shinra's doing something about those monsters after all.
Doing a half-assed job, looks like.
How did we get such a shit detail?
Screw it. Let's just give it a quick once-over and call it a day.
How did you get in here?
Yeah, it's those three terrorists from the train!
looking back. That's that.
Let's move!
Not so fast.
All right, let's figure out where the hell we are. There's an old rail yard not far from here. What we're looking for is somewhere inside.
And that is...
A secret passageway.
We've compiled our report on Avalanche's combat capabilities and our...
Report. What good do you think a damn report will do anyone?
I don't...
Have you already forgotten the war with Wu-Tai? An enemy spared is an enemy who will repay your kindness with blood. We must crush them thoroughly and completely, without hesitation or mercy. Shinra cannot and will not settle for anything less. Will you?
But sir...
If so, I can only assume that you and your men no longer wish to serve in your current positions. Is that correct?
We'll prepare the prototype in Section E for immediate deployment. Right now, damn it!
Another day, another victory. How do I do it?
Gotta love the irony of Shinra's smarmy lapdog leading the way to its master's destruction. We're going to the rail yard, remember?
Just so you know, this way leads to the station, not the rail yard. You really don't like Stamp, do you, Barry?
It's not that I hate it. I hate the fact that Shinra took a loyal animal like that and co-opted it for their own self-serving.
Poor old Stamp. Think you're making progress, and then you hit a wall.
Knock it down.
You're starting to sound like Barry.
Never mind.
It's a good plan. Hey, hold up. This way.
Security is a lot tighter than I thought it would be.
If they want to stand between us and the rail yard, that's their choice.
Bastards aren't going to get away this time!
Here we go. It's on you.
About damn time! Gonna make your eyeballs pop!
Gotcha!
Give them hell!
All set!
I got this.
Feel the heat!
No holding back.
Don't give up!
I won't give up.
Bring it on!
All good. Gotta be careful. You're out of luck.
You're gonna You're toast!
The hell you playing at? Ain't done yet! I'm still kicking!
Gotta be
I'm
smart.
counting on you!
It's on you!
Alright! Watch it learn! See ya! Special delivery!
There! It's over!
Ain't no
Shake it off.
way. No getting through that gate. Let's take the stairs. We should be reaching that secret passage real soon. I knew Plan E wouldn't fail us. Should have called it Plan X. What you think, Mr. X-Soldier?
Things made the plan, right?
I provided some input.
Not too much.
What's that supposed to mean?
Thought this place was abandoned.
Guess not.
Give it up, assholes, or we'll blow you to hell! Surrender!
Get ready.
You're mine!
Enough. You're done. No time to celebrate.
Sure there is.
So many guards.
Keep looking for faithful little Stan. He'll lead us to the passageway.
This it? Get back!
What the?
That all you got?
Someone's back.
Take your best shot, asshole!
Looks like an old model.
Wait till empty. Hell, something has been.
What do we do?
Aim for its legs. Bring it down. I'll draw its fire. You two stay on the offensive. All right, keep it together.
About damn time! Coming at you hard and fast!
Right.
Damn it! That one I hear?
Hey, see that?
That's its heart. The Mako generator.
I'm guessing we ain't for that.
Get the hell, okay?
I've got this.
What are those?
More drones.
This is where I shine!
Bring it. Have fun.
Get out of our way!
Hey, I think we gotta take these down.
Okay. Right.
Need my help, do you?
Let me handle this. Watch yourself.
Take it over. Get ready. Take the lead.
Yes, it's my turn. Bring in the heat. Coming at you hard and fast.
All set. You're up.
Need to heal up.
I'll flash
Gotta love it.
Bring it! There! Bring it! Not again.
I thought I was done. That's it?
Now what?
Could be a system error. Sorry.
What you doing now?
I think...
Get away from the tracks. All right. Can electrify the tracks.
Give me your best shot!
So long.
This way. Come on! Bring it! Now we're
Destroy the pilot. That'll expose the generator.
bingo! Bring it!
Here we go. So long. All clear.
And stay down.
Let's go.
Sure.
Aye, this way.
This won't do.
Sir, analytics reports that the feed went down after an anomaly was registered during the test.
An anomaly? Or an excuse for your failure to properly prepare the armor?
No, sir. All modules were confirmed fully operational. It's far more likely, given the circumstances, that the sensors were overloaded.
Is that so?
All the sensors in Section E are inoperable.
The President.
Yes. Yes. Yeah, everything is fine, sir. Better, even. There's been a development. Yes. Understood, sir. We know exactly where they were headed. If the armor is intact, then you'd best determine the nature of this anomaly soon. Should you fail to do so, you will deal with our intruders personally.
Yes, sir.
Don't worry. I treat my people more than fairly. So don't disappoint me.
The passage is beyond these shipping containers. Let's slip through them.
Talk about a tight squeeze.
You okay?
Yeah.
So, you bump into any giant robots like that in Reactor 1?
Yeah, except the bastard looked like a scorpion. Speaking of which, what would you say that last one looked like?
Huh? Well...
Looks dead now.
Lo and behold. All aboard. Just so you know, it's not gonna get any easier.
When did it ever?